This video shows in pictures and tells in words how to create new users of webCRM and how to control their access to the information. To create new users, you click Configuration and then Users. Here you will find a list of users in the system. You can create new users by clicking on Create User. You fill in the field with the new user's name, email, title, telephone, initials, login, etc. Then you must determine the appropriate access level for this particular user. You can limit the new user regarding functionality, i.e. access rights, and territorial, i.e. by selected all or a limited number of territories. Once you have created or modified the new user, you must remember to save and then press Send Email with Login Details. The system will then automatically send an email with the necessary login information to the appropriate email address. You will need to do the same if one of your existing users wants to have their link resent. Default access right for new users is Standard User. However, there are a number of options as to the levels that can be selected or created. All rights means that the user has access to all data in the system. You can also restrict user access to the system within their respective districts or countries using the Territory feature. For example, if you have a vendor that operates only in the United Kingdom, then click on and check the United Kingdom, and he will only have access to what has to do with UK customers. Another special variant of the access levels is Restricted Standard User. This level allows, for example, you to have a telemarketing bureau where you want users only to see what they are responsible for and which are within the selected territories defined under their user profile. At the bottom of the screen, you can define a user setup for time zones, using commas or dots as a separator, and then you can set the address format. Here you can also choose which language you want the user to work in and specify the preferred date formats. You can also set up the default currency if you use the pipeline function in the system. Once this is completed, press Save. If default access levels do not meet your requirements, you can customize the individual access levels specific to your needs. You do this by clicking on the Main Settings and then Access Levels. Here you see the different levels of access. If, for example, a user's access level is Standard User, you can then click here and go in and manage specifically what different users can access if they have this access level in their profile.